When breastfeeding on demand, you do not have to worry about how much milk volume baby is receiving. Remember, if we're not expressing, we do not really know how much baby is getting. But your baby is the master of their hunger and their fullness. So when they are hungry, they will ask for a feed. And if they're not, they will stop. So you do not have to be concerned about, oh, baby is not drinking enough. Remember, you're not hungry every single day at the exact time, the exact amount of hunger, just like your baby. This whole thing about milk volume and being fed every 3 hours, the same amount of milk, came from when formula was introduced on the market. So with a breastfed baby, just go on baby's cues of hunger and you'll be fine. Remember, you don't have to see the milk transferring from your breast to baby. You just need to know that baby is sucking properly and baby is satisfied after a feed. I am reiterating the satisfaction after a feed. That's just because it's very important, because that indicates that baby has had enough, along with a few other signs which will not be discussed in this video.